Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to pay with Deel. Deel is a global payroll and HR platform that makes it easy to hire and pay employees around the world. I've been using Deel for a while now, and I found it to be a really helpful tool. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account, add employees, and make payments. Have you ever wanted to hire someone from another country? Or maybe you're looking to expand your business to new markets. If so, then Deel is the perfect solution for you. Deel makes it easy to hire and pay employees in over 150 countries. You can also use Deel to manage benefits, taxes, and compliance. How to create an account? Go to the Deel website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your name, email address, and password. Click on the Create Account button. Once you've created your account, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. How to add employees? Click on the Employees tab. Click on the Add Employee button. Enter the employee's name, email address, and job title. Select the employee's country of residence. Click on the Save button. How to make payments? Click on the Payments tab. Click on the Create Payment button. Enter the employee's name and the amount of the payment. Select the payment method. Click on the Submit button. Additional tips. Deel offers a variety of payment methods, including bank transfer, wire transfer, and PayPal. You can also use Deel to track employee time and attendance. Deel offers a variety of reporting tools that can help you track your expenses. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you're looking for a way to make it easy to hire and pay employees around the world, then I highly recommend checking out Deel. You can sign up for a free account today at https://www.deel.com. Thanks for watching. Until next time.